The best gaming monitor will make your gaming PC shine. Often overlooked in the PC building experience, a great gaming monitor can transform your gaming worlds. It's the window to your games, and as the final step in a long process from program to pixel, you want to make the most of the experience with a great panel. Hello guys, welcome to Gadget 10. We've got the top 5 best gaming monitors in 2021 for you today. You can buy it at the link in the description below the video. Number 5. Samsung Odyssey G7, $745. The 32-inch Samsung Odyssey G7 is in a class all its own. It's one of Samsung's 1000R screens, meaning it's one of the curviest gaming monitors you can find on the market. Unmatched immersion. Get your head in the game with Odyssey's 1000R panel, which matches the curvature of the human eye for maximum immersion and minimal eye strain. Set with stand 27.9, 6x23.41 x 12.04 inches. WQHD resolution. Make your gaming world more lifelike than ever before. Packing in 1.7 times the pixel density of Full HD, WQHD resolution boasts incredibly detailed, pin-sharp images. NVIDIA G-Sync and FreeSync. Dropping frames means dropping chances to put your enemy in the dirt. With NVIDIA G-Sync and FreeSync Premium Pro support, Odyssey matches every frame from your graphics card, so you're never caught short from moment to moment. Rapid 240 Hz refresh rate. Topping leaderboards never looked or felt so smooth. With Odyssey's rapid 240 Hz refresh rate, you have up to 4 times as many frames displayed on screen every second compared to a traditional screen. Find hidden depth with HDR 600. From damp and dark corridors to sunlit alien vistas, Odyssey's HDR 600 brings incredible depth to the worlds you choose to explore, revealing the smallest hidden details so you don't miss a thing. The Samsung Odyssey G7 is an ideal choice for gamers who have some variety in their gaming libraries. Number 4. ViewSonic Elite XG270, $500. ViewSonic Elite XG270 is one of the best gaming monitors you can get for esports. The monitor has great viewing angles and could see the picture clearly while sitting far to the right of the screen. A sports monitor, Full HD 1080 pixel resolution, True 1 ms, GTG, response time, and ultra-fast 240 Hz refresh rate gives you the edge in all your esports matches. 240 Hz is supported via DisplayPort and HDMI. NVIDIA G-Sync. Experience uninterrupted gaming with synchronized frame rates, variable overdrive, and ultra-low motion blur. Blurbusters approved. Tuned by Blurbusters, Pure XP blur reduction utilizes backlight strobing, drastically improving motion image clarity in fast-moving objects. Elite design enhancements. Elevate your setup with a built-in mouse bungee, elite RGB ambient lighting, sight shields, and a reinforced headphone hook. All-day comfort. Fully adjustable ergonomic stand delivers the comfort you need for marathon gaming sessions. Amazing at any angle. A slim bezel IPS panel ensures stunning views no matter your vantage point. Frameless design. A 3-sided ultra-thin bezel shows off more of your game, and it's perfect for multi-monitor setups. If you're looking to play esports games like Overwatch or CSGO, this is a great monitor to buy in 2021. Number 3. Dell S3220GDF, $443. The Dell S3220GDF is the best gaming monitor for most. For starters, it boasts a fast refresh rate, low response time, plus FreeSync Premium Pro for fighting screen tearing with both standard and HDR content. See every advantage. A vibrant 2560 x 1440 QHD resolution lets you view up to 77% more of your entertainment compared to Full HD. The 32 curved monitor also supports HDR content, including movies and games. Conquer with clarity. Lifelike visuals and vivid colors come standard with the VESA Display HDR 400 certification. Your monitor's expanded contrast ratio of 3000:1 delivers deeper blacks and boasts a 90% DCI P3 color coverage with 1.07 billion colors. More immersive. Extend your line of sight and go deeper into every adventure thanks to the curved 1800R screen. This is a fantastic monitor for those with mid to high budget gaming PC. Number 2. Asus ROG Strix XG279Q $560. If you have extra room in your budget and want to squeeze out the extra drop of performance from your 1440 pixel screen, the Asus ROG Strix XG27AQ is the best gaming monitor for you. Unmatched immersion. 27-inch WQHD 2560 x 1440 fast IPS gaming monitor with 1 ms GTG response time and ultra-fast 170 Hz refresh rate, overclocked, designed for professional gamers and immersive gameplay. Elm Sync. Asus Extreme Low Motion Blur Sync technology enables Elm together with G-Sync compatible, eliminating ghosting and tearing for sharp gaming visuals with high frame rates. High dynamic range. Technology with professional color gamut delivers contrast and color performance that meets DCI P3 95% color gamut, and Display HDR 400 certification. Connectivity ports include DisplayPort 1.2 and HDMI V2.0x2. Not only does it have the sharper resolution of your dreams, but it's one of the rare monitors to allow you to run blur reduction alongside your side screen tear-fighting adaptive sync. Number 1. Razer Raptor 27, $600. The Razer Raptor 27 is the best gaming monitor for 144 Hz refresh rates. Pixel perfect. Updated with the capability and clarity you need to game at your best, the new Razer Raptor is now faster than ever with up to 165 Hz refresh rate and new THX certified visual clarity. The perfect combination of style and performance. The latest Raptor still sports an IPS panel with QHD 2560 x 1440 pixel resolution and is built upon the previous sleek cable management stand, giving you a streamlined visual experience both on-screen and on your desk. Adapt to your gameplay. Gone are the days of screen tearing. With the latest in adaptive sync technology, the updated Razer Raptor 27 is now both NVIDIA G-Sync compatible and supports AMD FreeSync premium variable refresh standards. World's first THX certified gaming monitor. With over 400 individual tests to ensure that the image displayed is as true to the source as possible, the Razer Raptor 27 brings you a whole new level of immersion. Cable management. Not only is the base engineered with height, tilt, and swivel adjustments to provide the best ergonomics, but it is also designed with a cable management system that'll please the most demanding PC builders. The base is forged out of a single piece of aluminum with channels designed for the cables to ensure a clean and clutter-free desktop while providing absolute stability. Top that off with its modern, sleek, and glowing design with some subtle RGB flair. This is easily one of the best-looking monitors and among the best gaming monitors you can buy.